5 tips for making your best offer on a home. As a buyer in a seller's market, sometimes it can feel like you're stuck between a rock and a hard place. When you're ready to make an offer on a home, remember these 5 easy tips to help you rise above the competition. Number 1, know your budget. Knowing your budget and what you can afford is critical to your success as a home buyer. The best way to understand your numbers is to work with a lender so you can get pre-approved for a loan. As Freddie Mac puts it, this pre-approval allows you to look for a home with greater confidence and demonstrates to the seller that you are a serious buyer. Showing sellers you're serious can give you a competitive edge, and it helps you act quickly when you've found your perfect home. Number 2, be ready to move fast. Homes are selling quickly in today's competitive housing market. According to the existing home sales report from National Association of Realtors (NAR), 83% of homes sold in November 2021 were on the market for less than a month. When houses are selling this fast, staying on top of the market and moving quickly are key. Your agent can help you put together and submit your best offer as soon as you find the home you want to buy. Number 3, lean on a real estate professional. No matter what the housing market looks like, rely on a trusted real estate advisor. As Freddie Mac also notes, the success of your home buying journey largely depends on the company you keep. Be sure to select experienced, trusted professionals who will help you make informed decisions and avoid any pitfalls. Agents are experts in the local real estate market. They have insight into what's worked for other buyers in your area and what sellers may be looking for in an offer. It may seem simple, but catering to what a seller needs can help your offer stand out. Number 4, making a strong offer. Making a strong but fair offer. According to the latest Realtors Confidence Index from NAR, 40% of offers today are above the list price. In such a competitive market, emotions and prices can run high. Having an agent to help you submit a strong yet fair offer is critical in these situations. Your agent can help you understand the market value of the home and recent sales trends in the area. Number 5, be a flexible negotiator. When putting together an offer, your trusted real estate advisor will help you consider which levers you can pull, including contract contingencies, conditions you set that the seller must meet for the purchase to be finalized. Of course, there are certain contingencies you don't want to give up. Freddie Mac explains, resist the temptations to waive the inspection contingency, especially in a hot market or if the home is being sold as is, which means the seller won't pay for repairs. Without an inspection contingency, you could be stuck with a contract on a house you can't afford to fix. Bottom line, today's competitive landscape makes it more important than ever to make a strong offer on a home. Let's connect to make sure you rise to the top along the way. My name is Tony Poppet, and I'm a realtor and mortgage loan originator from Roseville, California. You can call me on 916-547-9749. Please let me know if I can help you with anything related to real estate and mortgage. Please like and subscribe my videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye-bye.